Welcome to this comprehensive guide on OpenNode, a cutting-edge crypto payment platform designed to simplify Bitcoin payments for businesses and individuals alike. Whether you're a small business owner, an e-commerce site operator, or a developer looking for a robust payment solution, OpenNode has something to offer. Starting with the basics, OpenNode allows merchants to accept Bitcoin as payment seamlessly while offering features like real-time conversion to fiat currencies, if desired, for minimized volatility. The platform supports integration with popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify and WooCommerce, making it easy to integrate crypto payments into your existing setup. OpenNode is highly developer-friendly, offering APIs and SDKs for custom payment flows, which means it's versatile enough to suit businesses of any size or niche. Get started. Create an account on the OpenNode platform. Once registered, you'll be able to explore their intuitive dashboard. The dashboard gives an overview of your transactions, balances, and settlement options, allowing you to manage everything in one place. You'll find detailed insights and analytics to track your payment activities. Setting up your payment page or embedding a payment button on your website is straightforward, thanks to OpenNode's user-friendly design. For advanced users, OpenNode supports Lightning Network payments, which provide faster and more cost-efficient Bitcoin transactions. This feature is particularly beneficial for businesses handling high volumes of small transactions, as it reduces network congestion and lowers fees. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Security is another standout feature of OpenNode. It offers two-factor authentication 2FA to protect your account and ensures that sensitive data is encrypted. Funds are never stored on the platform, which enhances the overall security of your transactions. With its compliance-focused approach, OpenNode operates under rigorous standards to meet global regulations, giving users peace of mind. OpenNode also supports multi-currency settlements. You can configure your account to automatically convert received Bitcoin into your preferred fiat currency, such as USD or Euro. This makes it a versatile solution for businesses operating internationally or dealing with customers who prefer not to manage crypto holdings directly. If you're looking to automate processes, OpenNode's API integration provides the tools needed to customize payment solutions. From creating invoices programmatically to handling refunds and partial payments, the API offers a broad range of functionality that developers can leverage to enhance their systems. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into each of these features in the video, showcasing live examples of how OpenNode simplifies the complex world of cryptocurrency payments. If you find this content helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tutorials and reviews.